My wife bought me this model kit for Christmas, and it's pretty cool actually. They're like cardboard models you make and glue together. There's two atats and a ATST and a snowspeeder, and we just actually did a couple of the small ones. So here's the snowspeeder. It comes with a stand. That's pretty cool. And then ATST. It comes with two of these. So she built this one, and I built this one, and she helped with a couple of the patient moments. But I think they're well worth it. It was super awesome. Now we have the two big ones and the small ATST. Right on.